Okay, guys, good afternoon. So we are here in the in the ES, and yes, you can see the market has been in a downfall. It was all crazy. It was all over the place during the FOMC meeting. Now market is just trading normally right now, so we can make a little trade here and see if we can win this one. We continue with the downtrend. Just one trade, guys. Just one good trade.
Short signal
Okay,
ES.
we see correlation down. We see the boxes forming to the downside.
Short signal NQ.
Hey, hopefully we can catch the target here. Nasdaq continues shorting. We see all those sellers in the tape, guys. These guys are not happy. We see a batch of buyers here in the ES, but we're just gonna still holding the trade. We see visual imbalance to the downside here in the micro ES. Correlation down. No more buyers. We haven't seen any buyers here. Still going short. Can catch exit one lot here, guys, at least. See an imbalance here, 1,000 contracts. Got one out, so it's a free trade now. I don't care if it reverses. You saw it almost tried to reverse here, so still the NQ going down.
Short
Okay, there we
signal
go.
ES.
Oh my god, that's a huge one.
Short signal NQ.
Okay, got out.
Short signal NQ.
Look at that batch of sellers here. Well, you saw the FOMC, right? It was all around the place. Then it started to stop, just going too fast. Now it's going normal, as you can see. There's always a time that you can wait a little bit. You see this trade. Now the market became more, more tradable. It was like extremely quick, before, so it couldn't be traded.
Short
So
signal
morning was
NQ.
dead. I was waiting, as always, guys. FOMC days is something that is very difficult to trade. There's a lot of traders that prefer not to trade that because it's a bad day for a lot of traders. People lose their accounts because as you can saw in the morning, even the SPY was doing nothing. It was, and you know how those markets are. It's a 50 million contract shares market, so it was doing nothing in the morning. So it's not like you can catch everything, guys. Sometimes you can catch a little bit, and sometimes a lot. And some people say, "Hey, why didn't you catch all this short?" It's
Short
impossible.
short signal
It's very
NQ.
difficult for you to have a crystal ball, and do something, and that it works all the time. So it's very complicated. But at least if you win a little bit, it's okay, guys. Okay, so as you can see here, I always tell you guys about the boxes. Okay, because the market, if it's running too quickly, it's not something that you can expect. So as you can see here, we are below the 15-minute ATRs of course. This means that the 15-minute time frame is going down. Okay, so what can you expect? These boxes are not here, guys, for demonstration purposes only. These guys are here telling you that the algorithms, okay, are doing something. Okay, this is the algorithms. Okay, this is the guys that really move the market. As you can see here,
Short
we have
signal
an inverse
ES.
one. It's like a
Short
head and
signal
shoulders.
NQ.
It's like a head and shoulders. Okay, but a mini head and shoulders, as you can see here.
Short signal NQ.
And what did
Short
the market
signal
do?
N. Short signal
As you
NQ.
can see here, what did the market do over here too? This one didn't print very nicely, but it's the same, guys. Okay, it went
Short
short
signal
again.
and Q.
So you need to pay attention to all this, signals over here. These signals are very important. You see one here, it's very important. So the market failed, as you can see, the market failed up, and we are below the 15-minute, and you can see the boxes. The boxes will tell you the formation because this is a symmetrical formation. It's a perfect formation. So it's very difficult to find. I do believe that the algorithms, connect themselves, and when they see these, they print all this information for other algos to recognize what they are trying to do. So you gotta be aware of what of these guys. They leave those footprints on the chart for you, to pick that information up. So you need to work out. For example, you could have got it here in this breakdown here. This was the market was going strong, as you could see, with a high volume candle here. This is 10,000 contracts candles. As you can see, we didn't have above here. Market was on the sidelines. Then I saw it and I entered, guys. So as you can see, the Bidaskmultimarket correlation system is a very complete system, guys. I do believe that it can improve your trading if you're a trend trader, which I encourage you to be a trend trader. Don't fight the trend. Don't, because the market will just crush you up, and it's not a good idea. Okay, so you see here we entered, and what did you see? You see the, let me see. You see the visual imbalance hitting the tape, and you didn't see it here. Was very little. So this is a market was flat here. Now we can see the market trending. Okay, so this is a good signal. Okay, so the Bidask
Short
multi-market
signal and
correlation
Q.
correlates very instruments. Okay, and will tell you with the arrows if the market is you see a magenta arrow is it's a aggressive volume shorting. Okay, if you see a blue arrow is aggressive buyers. Okay, so, and the red one is not too aggressive, but it's volume. Okay, that is
Short
going down.
signal and Q.
As you can see, the ATRs work perfectly, guys. You see ATR to the tick. We see the box, and the market goes down. So what else? Well, the time and sales just prints you. Okay, the magenta lines on the chart, and the blue lines on the chart here. As you can see, the blue lines. These blue lines come from the time and sales, telling you 80% of the tape was green. Okay, was bullish, but this was profit taking. Okay, so you need to interpret where the signals are. Okay, so, and the boxes will just tell you if the market is congesting. This box uses another bar type. Okay, so this is multi-time frame, and the Bidask multi-market correlation is multi-instrument. Okay, so you can use up to 8 instruments. You can use the tick, the trend, the advance, the advanced decline instrument in this, and you can use Tesla, you can use Apple, you can use the QQQs, you can use the SPY, okay, which has more than 50, 60, 70 million shares traded. So I don't believe that the big money is in the futures. The big money is on the spider. So these guys move millions and millions of shares a day. So those are big guys. So okay, guys. So that's all I wanted to tell you. Okay, so I'm seeing the visual imbalance. I didn't speak a little bit about it. So this guys will tell you, if, for example, it took 58 seconds to form 696 shorts. Okay, more buyers, more sellers than buyers. As you can see, it took 15 seconds to tell you that 1,000 shares were more than the buyers here contract. As you can see, it took 58 seconds, then it took 15 seconds. As you can do the math here, okay, if you can see the math that these guys are in a quick move, and it's not no brainer, guys. It's shorted. That's it. The tape is moving down. Everything is going down. You saw the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq pushing down. You see over here. So the prints will not move over here. It's only real time because this system is completely order flow based, guys. It is order flow based. It works with stocks. It works with well, it works with forex too, but with correlation. Okay, but it works with stocks and with futures, and just be patient, guys. If you think that you don't find a signal or something, don't worry, don't worry, don't rush. Just wait for the market. The market will always give you
Short
an
signal
opportunity.
ES.
Always give you an opportunity for you to trade. Don't rush the market because it's you're just gonna get chopped out. They're gonna they're just gonna destroy you. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. And right now we're just selling the complete bundle. Okay, so there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me if you have any information, if you have any question that you want to ask me. So have a great day, guys.